Hello everybody, so we are back with a new video. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I look like a cholo. This is literally me right now. And also acne's getting worse. We're so cooked right now. Acne's getting worse. I look like a cholo. So you know what that means? New hair, new trade, new money. So is this hair gonna give me the luck? Is it gonna give me the luck, or it's gonna give me the bad luck? Now we're gonna find out. How much do we have? I loaded a lot of money. I've lost so much money, and I mean, okay, to be honest, I made money on like without recording. I don't know why, but yeah, I made money off this unstable tether, and I sold some, and now we got ourselves 2 Solana. We have 2 Solana now. We are going to use this. We got a new hair, new trade. No, new hair means make money. No, what? That's not rhyme at all. Yo, I just realized I have this cat, bro. Look, you know what this means, bro? This cat jerks off too much, bro. Level 100 jerkmate, bro. Jerkmate level 100. See? Jerkmate level 100. Bang. I got this new hentai, whatever. Which one's better, guys? Should I put? Okay, I also got to actually. So which one's better? This one or this one? Which one's the baddie? Left or right? Comment. We have 0.1 Solana here. I'm not gonna log in any money yet, so we're gonna play with this 0.1 and then we're gonna add money. Okay, there was a lot of good coins last Monday. There was a lot of good coins. I was like in the gym. I saw this coin USDT, US dot. I was like, huh, let's buy this coin. And I bought it when like 100k and put like 0.5. No, yeah, 0.5 Solana turned into 2.5. So I sold 2. So I can like, you know what? I sold 2 Solana so I can trade and show you guys how to lose more money or maybe make money because of the new hair. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Should I buy this coin? Should I buy this coin? Buy the coin. Oh, bro. YTS ain't going up. It went up and it went down. Am I making money or am I losing money? I swear to God, I saw this coin 100k. I didn't buy it though. That's the annoying part. Gold coin. Mochi. Use duck. Us duck. What? Oh my God, that is so much money. Oh my God. I forgot it's back to school. So I take business, okay? And like while I'm like doing business, right? I'm trading at the same time. Teacher's yapping about tax. I was like, what if I just evade tax? No, it's not possible. As you know, I should keep blabbering. But yeah, Barnaby Swift 1989. Twerk. Twerk. For y'all don't know what's a twerk, it's basically a twerk, but with your dick. Like you flex your dick going up and down. That's what it's called, twerk. I'm not gonna buy that coin because it's not going up anytime soon, unless I have a group. Look, I'm gonna make a group and we can like chill like pump coins and pump and dump. So what do you think about that, guys? Should we make a Telegram group and pump and dump coins? Okay, I'm down for that. I'm not gonna lie, Dada's down for that. Pump and dump, bro. Speaking of pump and dump, or what happened to the coin that we bought? 15% up. Fodawa. I'll take Fodawa for no reason. But it's either we go millions or billions. I even so. Okay, we got $25, bro. Let's go. Could have bought more. That's fine. Yo, whoa. Imagine if I bought this, dog. What is the meme? I don't get it. What? Oh, that's a big bird. Look, I'll buy it. Not gonna lie. You know what? Let's be smart with our spending. We're gonna be so smart, bro. We are going to since we're so smart with our spending, we're gonna use $100. 100 buckaroonies, bro. 100 buckaroonies. Okay, there we go. It's really fast. Really fast. Okay, you remember what I was talking about being smart with our spending? Boom. 0.2 already on our trade. Holy. What did I pick that do? Oh my God. I'm gonna cry if this shit will not go up, bro. Like, bro. Damn. You know what? Patience is key to life. Patience is key to success, you know? Patience is key to success. Okay, we're up 21% on Dork 21. Can you do something for me? Pordawa. Gaslighting. Yo, that thing is so annoying, bro. Unstable pussy. Nice. Unstable man. Bro. Lucky we should make a coin unstable man. If there's unstable USDC, we can make us unstable man. How does unstable man look like? You might ask. This guy. I'm joking. No. Unstable man. I can put this as a. So if y'all ask, well, how does an unstable man look like? It's this guy right here, bro. No, I'm joking. It depends really on the situation, you know. If like unstable or whatnot. Depends if the coin's up or down. I am unstable, man. And look, when I said it's gonna go to 68k, so it means we're not gonna sell everything like that. It's never. It's more smart, bro. Huh? Okay, you know what? We can chill. We're gonna chill for a minute. So like, just look at it crash, and then like, yeah. Patience is key to success. Patience is key to success. Always remember that. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't think patience will help anytime soon, bro. Point 2 already gone. Down the grade, bro. Down the grade. This is the most obvious pump and dump. But you know what? Easy money? Better than nothing. You know, I thought about myself. You know what? I'm gonna go record because I feel bad. I don't want to see my audience to watch me fail. And my new haircut. I'd like to show my people my new haircut. So yeah, I'm here recording. What's good, bro? Looks like the hair is the unlucky, bro. It's very unlucky. There's very unlucky today. Bad luck. It's the bad luck here, bro. So as you can see, we're all red. As you can identify, it's all red. That is not a good start. That is not a good start, bro. I thought I'm gonna be lucky, bro. Unlucky, bro. Bad luck. You know what? I need like to like think. I have to be relaxed, to be like calm, so I can trade, bro. The hair, it's the hair, bro. Look, red, all reds, bro. Oh my god. Wait, did I buy 0.2? Oh yeah, from $100 to $69. Funny number. 167, bro. 67. Yeah, I think it's the hair. It's not me. It's the hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna wear a hat. I am gonna wear a hat, bro. This is so unlucky. Whoa. Oh. Yo, masturbator. Holy, I'm about this coin dedicated to this cat. Holy masturbator. Okay, come on, masturbator. You're gonna be the new masturbator, bro. Here, that's a pump and dump. Okay, what if I buy it? Huh? Masturbate. Move. Do not let my tummy. Oh my rotation. There we go. Masturbator. This is dedicated to this guy. Okay. Boom. Entered. Oh, hold your bets. Cope guy. Bro, bomba clock. But I buy at 15k. I just realized I'm going into a shopping spree, bro. Look, I'm just buying coins instantly. What a guy. I just realized we're down. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, this is the last trade. Inch, please, we need to make money. Bro. It's the last trade. Yo, it's the hair, bro. $5. We're $5 out. Nice, bro. 31%. That's enough. Okay. Oh, imagine if I put $10,000. Oh, shoot. Anyways, yeah. I mean, we're gradually going up, better than going down. You know. $10. Should we take our money? No, bro. We're selling. Okay, we're selling 150k. 150k, guys. 150k. So make cope, guy. Nah, bro. It looks like my left knot. What the? Let's go, bro. Let's go again. Let's go going. 100%. Why does this look like a pumping? Okay, I'm sorry, masturbator. I need to sell you because how do you call this? You're not doing well. I am impatient. I'll tell you that. I'm impatient. So we could buy more of this. No? Come on, go up, bro. It looks like a pump and down, bro. Come on, go up more. Come on, go up. We can be patient. Patience is key to success. I mean, we could sell. I mean, it's really tempting to sell, but like I said, our goal is 100k. Boost down, Danny, boost down. Okay, now we're up 30. Oh, it's really tempting to sell now. Like I said, our goal is 100k. It's the bad luck, the unluck. Bro, it's the stupid hair, bro. How much do we have left? $8. So I'll take that. $8, bro. Where can you find $8? I'm done. I'm generally done. Bro, it's the hair. Yeah, we are down 0.4 right now. I'll tell you that. Okay. Because of the hair. I'm blaming the hair for this, but I don't care. I'm dead ass blaming the hair. So annoying. Like, the hair. I mean, like, I get it. Like, I lose a lot of money, like, back in the trades, like, for the past videos. But this time, it's different. Like, I've lost so much money. No profits today. No profits, not a single. I mean, there was a profit earlier, but like I said, the goal was 100k, so I didn't sell. I have my reasons there. You know what? I'm done. I'm not gonna be able to sleep after this. So, goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, please. And I'm still looking for sponsors after this. Kind of like a barber comment right now. Just hit me up, okay? DM me. I need to get a fix. Alright, see you guys. Thanks for watching, and I love you guys. I love you. Bye.